Senior 20 High School of Jakarta has a regulation that all of students and teachers are not allowed to bring mineral water plastic bottle from home due to the environmental impact of unused plastic waste. For this reason, all of students and teachers at Senior High School State 20 of Jakarta must bring drinking water from home in tumblers.
Therefore, if the drinking water in the tumbler runs out, student and teacher able to refill it again with a gallon of mineral water in school canteen at the price 3,000 rupiah, and they will get 350 milliliters of water.
With this background, me, Mustafa Ahmad Hermana, and my partner,
Felicia Panzajeda Seno,
would like to provide healthy drinking water for all students and teachers without need to be boiled first. This could be beneficial for all as there is no need to spend money to get drinking water.
the purpose we innovate this prototype is to learn about the structure and working mechanism of reverse osmosis system so that we're able to know how it is effectively get implemented and working out in our school. We use reverse osmosis at our approach because it is effectively filters out the solid contaminant from the tap water and it still let through the water's molecule. And that's it. Our prototype is able to produce the potable water that saves the day.
Before water enters the reverse osmosis membrane, it is necessary to ensure that there is sufficient water rate so that the reverse osmosis pump is always pumping water. Therefore, in this case, the booster pump before pre-filter is an optional equipment that can be installed or not depending on the water source condition.
Before the water enters the semi-permeable membrane, a pre-filter must be used to remove sediment and chlorine from the water. Without a pre-filter, the reverse osmosis membrane will work hard and will quickly become clogged with solid particles.
The pre-filter array consists of 1 micron porous sponge, a granular active carbon, a chlorine, taste, and other, a softener resin, and last, an ultrafiltration.
After the water comes out of the fifth pre-filter, in this state the solids has been greatly reduced. Therefore, the water is now ready to enter the reverse osmosis membrane system.
In order for water to penetrate the reverse osmosis membrane, a 36-volt DC reverse osmosis booster pump with a capacity of 800 gallons per day is required. The pump functions to push water that has been treated in the reverse osmosis pre-filter system.
To produce water with a capacity of 1000 gallons per day, 2 units of membrane housing type 3013 must be installed in parallel. Each membrane housing is filled with a reverse osmosis membrane with a capacity of 500 gallons per day.
Clean water that comes out of the reverse osmosis membrane usually has a low pH, tastes bland, bitter, and plain. For this reason, after the water comes out of the reverse osmosis membrane, it will flow through the biosand system, which is useful for improving water quality, that is, clarity, odor, taste, and pH.
The biosense array consists of porous carbon, a bio-yellow, a bio-infrared, a bio-alkaline, and bio-5-in-1.
After the water comes out of the biosand system, it enters the ultraviolet tube, which functions as a killer of bacteria, viruses, and fungus.
The water that has passed through this UV lamp is now ready to drink without having to be boiled first.
To further ensure that the drinking water was produced in compliance with the regulation of the Minister of Health of the Republic of Indonesia number 2 of 2023, 2 samples were taken. First sample is raw water before being treated in the reverse osmosis system, and the second sample is a clean water product after being treated in the reverse osmosis system.
Water sample analysis was carried out at the laboratory. Laboratory test results show that product water from the reverse osmosis filter of Senior High School State 28 of Jakarta can be consumed without boiling.
As all the arrangement of customized water filter system at Senior High School State 20 of Jakarta where all the parts are selected and arranged according to existing needs. You guys can make the reverse osmosis filter arrangement according to your wishes.
Of course, the more filter right, the higher the price will be. So before you determine the filter arrangement, you need to know the water characteristic you want to filter with the first osmosis system, so it will work effectively at the lowest cost.
So, that's all from us, Senior High School State 28 of Jakarta. Thank you for your attention. See you later.